To quickly access the MIDI settings on the TB-3, we hold down scatter while powering on. Now here we can use the value knob to select the channels 1 to 16 and Omni. On Omni it receives on all but transmits only on MIDI channel 2. We can change the clock source using pad C. When it is lit it's on auto, and unlit it's on internal, and pad D sends MIDI out through the MIDI out. And we use play to accept settings. When auto is set on pad C, the USB has priority over MIDI for the clock source. The TB-3 responds to a small number of Midi CC settings, which I'm going to sequence using the 707 also.